In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find conversation history on Outlook on PC. If you've ever lost track of a long back and forth email thread, this will make your inbox much easier to follow. We're going to turn on conversation view so Outlook groups related emails together, showing the full history of a discussion in one place. Start by opening the Outlook app on your PC and signing in if prompted. Once Outlook is open, look to the top of the window for the ribbon. Click the View tab. This is where Outlook controls how your messages are displayed. If your ribbon looks condensed, you may see a view button or an ellipsis. Click that to reveal the full view options. Now, find the option labeled Show as Conversations and turn it on by checking the box. The moment you do, Outlook will ask where you want to apply this change. You'll see two choices: apply it to this folder or to all mailboxes. Here's what those mean. Choosing this folder will group messages into threads only in the folder you're currently viewing, like your inbox. That's a good choice if you're testing the layout or only want it in one spot. Choosing all mailboxes applies conversation view everywhere across all accounts and folders you've added to Outlook, which is ideal if you want a consistent experience throughout your email. Click the option that fits your preference and Outlook will immediately reorganize your messages. You'll notice emails with the same subject are grouped into a single entry. Click the arrow next to a conversation to expand it and see the full history, including replies and forwards. The most recent message typically appears at the top of the thread, and older messages stack beneath it so you can quickly scan the entire exchange without jumping around your inbox. This doesn't move or delete anything, it simply displays related messages together. If you're looking for a specific part of the conversation, you can still use the search bar. Searching by sender, keyword, or subject works the same, but now results show up grouped by thread, making it easier to jump into exactly the right place. And if you ever decide you prefer the old view, just return to the View tab and uncheck Show as Conversations to switch back instantly. That's it. By enabling Show as Conversations and choosing where to apply it, you've made it far easier to find and follow your conversation history in Outlook on PC. Thanks for watching and enjoy a cleaner, more organized inbox.